Everybody, Chris Heineck here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today I'm aboard our brand new 2026 Sea Ray 280 SLX Outboard. This is one of the most innovative, luxurious boats in the start of the SLX series. It's been completely redesigned, and we're going to go through this boat today to show you all the amenities on board. On the back we have our upgraded V8 250s. This is in joystick mode. Right now it's skyhook, keeping us in place no matter what the wind, current, and tide are doing. So really nice feature aboard here. Huge walk-through swim platform on the back. We have sea deck throughout, all in a custom design match that you'll see throughout with the seating. Added a ski tow bar, but you'll also have another ski tow bar up on top of the power tower. And then some great amenities back here. Huge sun lounge, and then you'll have access to a cooler right here, phone chargers, your secondary stereo for controls back here, and then easy access to your battery switches, and can be a paddleboard locker. It even goes all the way through to the access to your other seating. So great storage on board and easy to access from multiple points. As we walk through the nice walk-through swim transom, you'll have a block-off door which will close off here, and then a fixed step option that will come up if you have some fixed docks that it makes it easier for access on and off the boat, and then fender storage right there below. As you come down into the cockpit, you sit deeper, more comfortable, and just a very elegant seating, stitching throughout with the new gray or stone interior. The SLX, especially the 280, they did a great job with attention to detail on the seating stitching to match the floor, and then all the way up into this power tower. Let's focus on this right now. Finally, they have done a great power tower option for the 260 and the 280 SLX, and you have a shade that'll come out in a slide track that'll give you your shade for people hanging out on the sun pad in the aft. You have a Sea Ray emblem that will glow down in here at nighttime, and then really nice LED lighting throughout that can be changed to any color you want. Underwater lighting as well. Coming up on the starboard side, we have another nice amenity package with a pull-out fridge. So this will give you good bucket storage for a case of beer or waters or anything else you have, and then almost car console-like with storage underneath and cup holders and wireless phone chargers. On the port side, we'll have a table access or a table option that'll give you a raised table, and then lots and lots of storage below. So this will connect all the way through with that aft storage we saw, and then even more storage underneath. So this can be for fenders, life jackets, everything, and then you'll pull this tray out and you'll have access to your bilge and batteries on board with the boat. Coming out into the helm area, we have the deluxe navigation package with two 12-inch Simrads. Have all your easy touch C-zone switching on board. You can control the tower from here or in the aft of the boat, and then go through all your lighting. Very easy to access all your options and switches, and then you have some of your main physical switches over here. Again, we're in joystick piloting mode and skyhook. So easy to walk around the boat, get fenders, lines ready for the dock, and then easy to joystick into your tight slips. Also have LED indicators, trim tab systems, and your power steering with your motors, and you have your easy digital throttle system with active engine trim included, all integrated into there. Fusion is our sound system on board. Very beautiful hidden speakers throughout, the sub, amp, everything to make your entertaining just a whole nother level aboard on this boat. On the port side, we have a nice vacuum flush head, sink, easy area to get down into, very comfortable, and then we'll go into a holding tank and be pumped out into the fuel dock. And then you have access to just more little car-like features on board with storage, which everybody loves. Double helm seat I wanted to point out here with the bolster. You can sit on top, and then when you're done driving and anchored up, you can switch both of these seats all the way around to give massive amount of entertaining space underneath your tower. As we come forward, beautiful curved windshield. Glass will come out and windscreen to give you full blocked off coverage from the wind and the elements when you're underway. Also another nice point with that power tower, if you got into some nasty conditions, a rainstorm came up, you can lower that power tower down to the windshield to give everybody protection behind the boat. If we come up to the bow, you'll have these filler cushion option, which will come in here. Really, really nice lounge seating. I'm 6'3". It's very comfortable on board. And then storage underneath all the seats. So again, everything's finished out, gel coat, beautiful appointment, non-skid underneath, so nothing's rolling around on the boat or sliding. And then integrated cup holders and speakers up in the bow. As we get to the windlass anchor system, you'll have a remote at the bow for the anchor system and be able to control from the helm. And then you have a freshwater washdown as well to spray everything off over here on the right side. This boat also includes a bow shade, so you'll have two pulls go in and a shade that comes to the hard top. So this boat can be completely covered with shade when you're out at your favorite sandbar, or you can get all the sun you want at the bow or the stern of the boat underway. But just again, attention to detail in this boat, just from the leather wrapped grab handles on board to the beautiful stitching and seating design, makes this a fantastic option for loading up a lot of friends and family comfortably. A great riding boat with performance, and then still a boat that get into shallow water to get you out to your favorite sandbars or dock and dine situations. So again, my name is Chris Honig. Love to show you this boat in person, get you out on the water. I can be reached at 910-256-8100. Again, we are on our 2026 Sea Ray 280 SLX Outboard. Hope to see you soon.